Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Solution to Your Problems, where we tackle the biggest question of today's world. In 2024, there's one debate that keeps popping up. Can AI really compete with human creativity? And more importantly, who wins? Let's dive in. Introduction. Creativity is at the core of what makes us human. It's how we write stories, compose music, design products, and even solve problems. But with the rise of AI, we have seen a huge shift in how creativity is approached. AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and DALL-E are generating artwork, writing stories, and even composing music. The question is, can AI really replace human creativity? Or is it just mimicking patterns and styles without true innovation? AI's creative strengths. Let's start with what AI is good at. AI excels at tasks that require processing vast amount of data. It can create variations of artwork in seconds, write thousands of words in minutes, and even edit photos or videos faster than any human could. For businesses and content creators, this is a game changer. Imagine you are designing a logo or writing content. You can brainstorm faster, make countless iterations, and even come up with new ideas by mixing styles that you wouldn't have thought of. But here's the catch. AI works by learning from existing data. It's powerful at blending styles and reproducing patterns, but it lacks emotional depth and personal experience that fuel true human creativity. Human creativity, the X factor. Now, let's talk about human creativity. While AI is great at generating quick results, humans have something that AI just can't replicate: imagination, emotional connection, and the ability to innovate from life experiences. For example, a human artist can draw inspiration from personal memories, cultural stories, and emotional experiences to create something unique. Think about movies, novels, or artwork that really moved you. It wasn't just the technical skill, but the story behind it, right? This is where humans still have the upper hand. We bring meaning, emotion, and a unique version to our creations, something AI can't mimic, at least not yet. Collaboration, the future of creativity. So, who wins in 2024? AI or human creativity? Well, maybe that's the wrong question. The future of creativity might not be AI versus humans, but rather AI and humans working together. We are already seeing how AI can serve as a powerful tool to boost human creativity. Imagine a world where artists use AI to create initial drafts or come up with fresh ideas, but humans step in to refine, edit, and add that emotional touch. It's collaboration, not competition. Conclusion. In the end, AI is an incredible tool that can speed up the creative process. But it's not about replacing human creativity, it's about enhancing it. In 2024, the most exciting work will come from those who know how to leverage AI's power without losing their own unique creative spark. So, what do you think? Can AI ever truly match human creativity? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more thought-provoking content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.